They're not telling you this, but the Camp Nou transformation is racing against the clock, and the latest updates are jaw-dropping. What's happening with the seats, the iconic roof structure, and the construction timeline? Stay with me, because things just got serious. Let's jump straight to the heart of the action. The Camp Nou renovation has seen significant progress this month, and it's shaping up to be a masterpiece. Over the past few weeks, workers have been installing rows of maroon seats in the lateral stands. It's not just about adding color. This marks a major step in bringing the stadium to life. While the first tier is still under maintenance with layers of paint and concrete reinforcements, other sections are moving fast. The field is gradually clearing up. Debris is being removed, and preparation for the turf layers is in full swing. The goal? To have a world-class playing surface ready in time for the 25 season. The third tier is rising steadily, with new precast beams and pillars being put in place. High up on the north side, construction workers are busy welding, securing supports, and adding safety nets to prepare for the massive roof structure. A high-resolution camera was recently installed on one of the tower cranes, giving fans a bird's-eye view of the construction. Imagine watching the progress unfold from this vantage point. It's like being part of history. The workers have only a limited window to finish the third tier by June 25. This is crucial because the roof installation, a delicate and time-sensitive process, can't begin until the upper structure is completed. Delays here could ripple through the entire project. Let's swing over to the south stand, where things are starting to buzz again. The new scaffolding setup is looking like a giant Lego set, and workers are already up there tightening bolts and setting beams. It's incredible to see how quickly they're connecting the puzzle pieces. Oh, and don't miss the bright yellow concrete pump parked nearby. It's folded up now, resting after a busy morning pouring the base for the next set of pillars. Honestly, it's like watching a choreographed dance, except with cranes, cement mixers, and a lot of hard hats. The parking lot near the south stand is nearly complete, with upper floors now reinforced and ready for finishing touches. This will eventually connect smoothly to the entrances from both the north and south sides. So, where does that leave us? The Camp Nou renovation is advancing quickly, but the pressure is on. With seats filling up, structural beams rising, and the iconic roof waiting in the wings, 2025 is set to be a pivotal year for Barcelona's iconic temple. Want to stay updated as this legendary stadium takes shape? Hit subscribe and join the journey.